Find angle X and the area of red equilateral triangle. Triangular rules and properties, sine and cosine rule are used to solve this question. Label points A, B, C, D, E and F. Since A, C, E and B, D, F are equilateral triangles, then A, C equals C, D which equals to A, E and B, D equals D, F which equals to B, F. Finally, angle A equals angle C which equals to each of angle E, angle B, angle D, angle F, respectively equals to 60 degrees. Let angle C, B, D equals theta and angle A, B, F equals beta. Since angle A equals angle C which equals to angle E, the result equals 60 degrees. This is because equilateral triangle, each of its enclosed angle equals 60 degrees. Also label point G. From triangle BCG, the product of 4 and x equals the sum of theta and 60 degrees. The reason is that the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of two opposite interior angles. This implies that theta equals 4 times x minus 60 degrees. We call it equation 1. From triangle DBF, angle DBF equals 60 degrees. It is because equilateral triangle, each of its enclosed angle equals 60 degrees. It follows that angle B equals the sum of beta, 60 degrees, and theta, which equals to 180 degrees. It is because sum of angles in a straight line equals to 180 degrees. Hence, beta equals 180 degrees minus the sum of 60 degrees and theta. Substitute equation 1 for theta. We have that beta equals 180 degrees minus, in bracket, 60 degrees plus 4 times x minus 60 degrees. Expand bracket and simplify. That is, beta equals 180 degrees minus 4 times x. We call it equation 2. From triangle ABF, the sum of x, 60 degrees, and beta equals 180 degrees. The reason is that the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Substitute equation 2 for beta. It implies that the sum of x, 60 degrees, and 180 degrees minus 4 times x equal 180 degrees. Combine like terms and simplify. This implies that x minus 4 times x equal 180 degrees minus, in bracket, the sum of 60 degrees and 180 degrees, which equal to negative 60 degrees. Simplify, so that negative 3 times x equals negative 60 degrees. Divide the equation by negative 3. Hence, x equals negative 60 divided by negative 3, which equals to 20 degrees. Consider triangle ABF. line AB equal to y, which is equals to 3 times the product of the square root of 3 and sine 60 degrees in centimeters. This value is given in the question. By sine rule, AB divided by sine x equals BF divided by sine 60 degrees. This implies that y divided by sine 20 degrees equals BF divided by sine 60 degrees. Cross multiply. BF equals y times sine 60 degrees divided by sine 20 degrees. Since the shape is a triangle, the sum of enclosed angles equals 180 degrees. Sine 160 degrees equals sine 20 degrees. Length of line BF equals 3 times the square root of 3 sine 160 degrees multiplied by sine 60 degrees. All divided by sine 20 degrees, which equals to 9 divided by 2 in centimeters, after simplification of substituted values. From equilateral triangle BFD, its area, A equals half the product of the square of line BF and sine 60 degrees. Substitute the value of line BF we obtained. This implies that the required area equals half times the square of half of 9 multiplied by half of square root of 3, which equals to 81 times the square root of 3, all divided by 16, in square centimeters. Therefore, the required area of the red equilateral triangle equals the product of 81 and the square root of 3, all divided by 16, in square centimeters.